Hey, so we've got this problem and it says we're going to simplify this expression right here. And the expression says we have the square root of 81 times z squared. All right. So first thing that I notice is that 81 here is 9 squared. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the 81 with 9 squared. So I have square root of 9 squared times z squared. All right. And it's a property of squares that we can, if we have a to the c times b to the c, this is the same as a times b to the c. So I'm going to apply that here with this 9 squared z squared, and I'm going to get the square root of 9z, all of that squared. All right. And then another property of square roots and squares, if we have the square root, or if we have, in more general, if we have the cth root of a to the c, this is a. So, for example, if we had the square root of 2 squared, we get 2. Or if we had the cube root of 7 cubed, this is 7. All right. So using that here, we have 9z, that stuff squared. So it's like the square root and the square cancel out. So we're just left with whatever's being squared, which is 9z. And that is our final answer. Because it's kind of like we cancel out the square root and the squared here. And then we're left with whatever was being squared, which was the 9z.